Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious spinach dip with cream cheese. First, let's gather our key ingredients. You'll need about 10 ounces of frozen spinach or 1.5 pounds of fresh spinach. Also, grab 8 ounces of cream cheese, 1 cup of sour cream, and 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. Don't forget your garlic, salt, pepper, and perhaps some onion powder for extra flavor. These simple components are the foundation for a truly satisfying dip. Proper spinach preparation is absolutely essential for a perfect dip. If you're using frozen spinach, make sure it's completely thawed. Then, and this is critical, squeeze out as much water as you possibly can. Use a clean kitchen towel or paper towels. For fresh spinach, blanch it quickly, then chop it finely and drain it very well. Excess moisture will make your dip watery, so take your time with this step to ensure a rich, creamy texture. Now for the fun part, mixing everything together. Start by ensuring your 8 ounces of cream cheese is softened to room temperature. This makes it much easier to blend smoothly. In a large bowl, combine the softened cream cheese with 1 cup of sour cream and 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. Mix these until they are well combined and creamy. Then, fold in your prepared, well-drained spinach, along with 2 cloves of minced garlic and your chosen seasonings. Stir gently until everything is evenly distributed. Almost there. Once your dip is thoroughly mixed, cover the bowl tightly with plastic wrap. Now, the most important step for flavor development: refrigerate your spinach dip for at least 2 hours. This chilling time allows all those wonderful flavors to meld together beautifully and helps the dip firm up to the perfect consistency. When you're ready to serve, present your homemade spinach dip with an assortment of crackers, crusty bread, or fresh vegetable sticks for a delightful appetizer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.